I'm here to tell you how to sign up for the Grand Forks Public Library Summer Reading Program and show you how easy it is to use the Beanstack app. So you just go to gflibrary.com/summer reading. It brings you to our splash page for the summer reading program. And the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up. So we have a program for early literacy for the little kids ages 0 to 4. The children's program for ages 5 to 12, and then the teen program for ages 12 to 17, and an adult program for ages 18 and up. So you can, it's for all ages. So if you're going to register your kids, you might as well register yourself. So you can register an individual or family, or if you have a group such as a daycare, you can register a class or a group. So we're going to say register individual or family. And then it says register yourself, or I'm an adult registering a child. So again, you might as well register yourself, but I'm going to click on this just to show you what information. So you'll put name, a username, email, phone number, zip code, and a password. And then for the children, we're just asking for a name, how old they are, and then if you have access to a printer and internet. So that's how easy it is to sign up, and you can sign up your whole family under one email. So real easy to sign up. And then after you sign up, you can download the Beanstack app. I have a iPad, so I go to the Apple Store, and there's the Beanstack app. So I'm going to open it, and it asks, does your school, library, or bookstore already use Beanstack? Yep. And then you just type in Grand Forks, and there's the Grand Forks Public Library. So now you can sign in. Sign in using the username and password you had. Click on plus, click on reading, click on your reader, choose your reader, and to log in minutes, I just log a day, minutes, or pages only. You pick the day, you can change the day, how many minutes. I'm going to say 20 minutes. Kids should read 20 minutes a day. You can put how many pages you want, but for the badges, we keep track of minutes. So I'm done and finish, and I logged my minutes for the day. And you can go back and log in minutes from previous days. You don't have to do this every day. For activities, you click on the activity, you click on your reader, and now it lists all the different activities you can go in. You can go into the activities. It lists the activities. For many of the activities, it has links. So if you're just looking into how to do the activities, you can click on the link, and it brings you to a document or a video showing you how to do the activity. So I want to make a kazoo. I click there. It brings me to a YouTube video of how to make a kazoo. You watch the video, you make your kazoo, and then you go back into Beanstack and you click on I did create a music instrument. You have to do 2 of the 3 activities under each badge, and then you earn the badge. So these are the activity badges. The reading badges go by hours. Every hour your child reads, they receive a badge up to 8 hours. Then they complete the program, and then we have extra badges every 4 hours after that, up to 20 hours. But every badge that you earn gets you another ticket into the prize drawing. And the cool thing is, the early literacy, children, teen, and adult program are all pretty much the same. There's activities and reading badges, and it's that simple though. You add your minutes, you do the activities, you earn your badges, and then you get tickets for the prize drawing. And that is how you join and keep track of your activities and reading minutes in the summer reading program.